Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. My name is Ali. Once again, I am here to represent a new topic, features of Java. In this video, we will talk about features of Java. So let's continue. Features of Java. The primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzwords. These all are the features of Java. List of most common important features of Java language is given below. These all are the features of Java: simple, object-oriented, portable, platform independent, secure, robust, architecture neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed and dynamic. Let's understand these topics one by one. Simple. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. According to Sun, Java language is simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++, so easier for beginners programmers to learn it after C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features, for example explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. There is no need to remove unreferenced objects because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. Now, object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object-oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporates both data and behavior. Object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. Basic concepts of OOPS are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. Now, platform independent. Let's understand what platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it is different from other languages like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into platform specific machines, while Java is a write once, run anywhere language. A platform is a hardware or software environment in which a program runs. There are two types of platforms, software based and hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. The Java platform differs from most other platforms in the sense that it is a software based platform that runs on the top of other hardware based platforms. It has two components: runtime environment and API, application program interface. Java code can be run on multiple platforms, for example Windows, Linux, Solaris, Mac operating system, etc. Java code is compiled by the compiler and converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can be run on multiple platforms. For example, write once, and run anywhere. Create the Java class and compile it. Then that dot class file is created automatically. That dot class file is a bytecode. You can run it on any machine, Mac operating system, Windows operating system, or Linux operating system. Secure. Java is best known for its security. With Java we can develop virus-free systems. Java is secure because no explicit pointers. There are no explicit pointers in Java. Java programs run inside a Java virtual machine sandbox. Class loader. Class loader in Java is a part of the Java runtime environment, which is used to load Java classes into Java virtual machine dynamically. It adds security by separating the package for the classes of the local file system from those that are imported from network sources. Bytecode verifier. It checks the code fragments for illegal code that can violate access right to objects. Security manager determines what resources a class can access, such as reading and writing to the local disk. Java language provides these securities by default. Some security can also be provided by an application developer explicitly through SSL, JAS, cryptography, etc. Secure. C++ application uses the runtime environment of operating system, while Java application uses the runtime environment of its own, because you have to install the JDK in your system. Then it will create Java virtual machine runtime environment by itself, and all the Java classes run in this environment. Robust. Robust simply means strong. Java is robust because it uses strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoids security problems. There is an automatic garbage collection in Java which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of objects which are not being used by a Java application anymore. There is exception handling and the type checking mechanism in Java. All these points make Java robust. Architecture neutral. Java is architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. For example, the size of primitive types is fixed. In C programming, int data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes for memory for 64-bit architecture. However, it occupies 4 bytes of memory for both 32 and 64-bit architectures in Java. Portable. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It does not require any implementation. High performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted program languages because Java bytecode is close to native code. It is still a little bit slower than a compiled language for C++. Java is an interpreted language. That's why it is slower than compiled languages, for example C, C++, etc. Distributed. Java is distributed because It facilitates users to create distributed applications in Java. RMI and EGB are used for creating distributed applications. These features of Java makes us able to access files by calling the methods from any machine on the internet. Multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia application, etc. And now the dynamic. I think it is the last feature of Java. Java is a dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports functions from its native languages, for example C and C++. Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory management, garbage collection. If you like this video, press like button and comment, and if you are new user, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos.